Everybody, so today this is a recipe for stuffing curry. You buy this neck gourd, remove the inner contents and cut it into this size. Here you have mince meat, but yet it's good to shred it once again in the mixie at home. So the shredded meat, onions, some green chilies and the coriander leaves are added here. And now we are going to blend it. Here you grind some coconut and tomatoes. This is the next paste which we have to get ready with. Ginger, garlic, coconut and khaskhas. So you blend this into a fine paste. To the raw meat you add some powdered clove. You add oil in a pan, drop the onions and curry leaves and you got to fry it well. You also have to add some clove and bark. Preferably if it's powdered, it will be good. Next you drop in the paste which we ground at the last, that is ginger, garlic, coconut and khaskhas. Then you add chili powder depending on the amount of spiciness you can consume. You also need to add turmeric. Try this one. Add some coriander powder. You have to add a good quantity of coriander powder. And if you require the curry to be little thick consistency, you add garam masala. Then you add little water and you have to fry this masala well. You can also add some sliced tomatoes. So as you fry this masala, you just take one ladle full of masala and add it to this meat. And this meat we'll have to mix it up well and make balls. And then we'll add some meat into this vegetable. So I think first you fill in the meat into this vegetable, and the remaining you can make balls. Added some more water, and we're letting this masala cook. You can add some clove pieces. All this while we were adding powder, but it's good to have 2 or 3 pieces floating
for the flavor.
Now we are going to add some more spices. We're going to add some bark, bits of bark. We've already powdered this in the beginning, but it's good to have the pieces floating. We've added the tomato and the coconut paste, the thing which we ground in the very beginning, and we're letting it all cook. Here, this is how you actually place the meat inside the vegetable and you assemble it here. Meanwhile, the gravy is getting cooked. So when the gravy bubbles up, then you will add this vegetable really slowly into the vessel, because we have to make sure that the meat doesn't lose its position. There's no sealing or nothing done to the vegetable. It's just meat put into it and pressed well. That's the talented lady who makes all the dishes for us. You add the vegetable really slowly into the gravy. The smell is awesome. And then you very gently try to...
the vegetable should be buried in the curry.
Yes, only then the vegetable will cook. Then you place the lid halfway through.
As 3/4 boil, must put lemon.
The gravy is ready. You can see the stuffing curry. And then the meatballs are there. So this is how the final dish will look.